So this is just how I am going to start doing my token economy in my classroom. I really like having money skills incorporated into everything since my kiddos are, on the alternative track for the most part. And money skills are just really important to build into elementary. There's more than just, number identification and things like that. So using real money is something that I thought was important. I still wanted to make it, elementary, so I made a graphic. This is just my clip art of an ATM machine, and then this is where they will click and drag their payments. I think it's really important to start incorporating virtual aspects even whenever we're in person. So my goal is to have everybody have access to this on their tablet or device, and they can use their self-management skills to utilize the token economy. So this is the first page, and it's just what I screenshotted to make sure that I had a template. And so this moves, everything. I can move it around. I can change it if I want. And so after screenshotting this, I duplicated the slide, and now I have this one. And as you can see, this doesn't move. But I did make copies of the dollars, so that way if I say, okay, pay yourself $1, they can click and drag. And I made sure I put enough, and I could always edit that to more of one, or if I wanted to get rid of some of the money, if we're just working on coins, I can always go up into my original and delete, and then rearrange as necessary. Give yourself $3.25. They can do this, and then at the end of the day they can switch that out for their paycheck. And I just used a visual, but if you really wanted to make it cute, they could click and drop and deposit everything, and you could incorporate that into a debit card or something fun. They have cute little stuff like that at the dollar store. This also cuts back on supplies, just having it electronically. Hopefully that we can generalize this with real money, but in terms of virtual learning, I can do this in person, or I can do this in my classroom. If I really have to make it a manipulative system, that's fine too, but I'm really hoping to incorporate this to train my kids to start, increasing their functional skills. So if anybody has any questions, let me know, but this will be available on my TPT store.